Crypto Whiskey here. Good morning, everybody. It is January 17th, and we're about to get into this watch list. Back from this long holiday, so market should be popping. First up, we got Old Faithful Tesla again. Pre-market showing that it can open up around 125. Same areas we've been playing. A break above 123.42, and we're expecting to see some big price action up to 131.32, ultimate 137.46. There's where I would take all my profit right there if we get some crazy run the next day or two. If we drop below the 122 area, I would expect to see the next stop down be 118.93, 113, and ultimately 103. So we're going to go calls above 123.42. Anything above that, we're going calls to 131, 137. Let's buy some time out for like a week or two. Tesla should get moving here soon. On the macro, it looks pretty good. Puts, anything below 122, we're going puts 118, 113, and 103. Real simple. Next stop up, we're going to. We're not going to do that. There it is. We're going with Hood. And Hood has been beat down forever. So it finally started double bottoming and getting some movement up. And I think with the rise of Bitcoin and crypto moving up a little bit, we're getting some nice pops on Hood. Pre-market saying that it opens up around 936. We'll have to wait and see. But my thoughts are if we're going to see it break above 930, then I want to take calls to 944, 972. After 972, there's a lot of range up there, a lot of space for it to run. And then I'll have to get back to you and alert you in Discord on that. But if we drop below 916, I'd be in some puts down to 894, 883, and 869. Those could be our immediate targets for this week. So there we go. That's it on that one. Below 916, we're in puts all the way down to 869 and above probably 932. I want to be in calls to 944, 972. Like I said, these are short-term plays right here. This one is like this week max, but I'd expect to see these moves happen in the next day or so. Either way, little bonus here speaking of crypto and it was popping. We're going to take a look at what I have lined out for you on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been in this upward sloping channel since January 14th and has tried to break out a few times and hasn't quite took off yet. We keep getting our head peeking above it and then coming back down, but we've still made some massive gains from January 11th. We're at 17K and we've run up here and touched 21.5 just about. So if you're trading futures on KuCoin or Binance, Bitcoin futures, I got a little analysis for you here on that. All right, if we break above 21.5, I want to be in calls all the way up. We're going long after 21.5. We're going long straight to 22.5, and then 24.7. Those are my targets, and that could take a week or two to play out if it continues to find positive momentum and rip with the markets. If we drop below, say, 20,800, I would expect us to want to go short all the way back to probably a minimum of 19.5, 18.6, and then the ultimate bottom again, 16,447 of our last little rally. That's what I've got for you there. If you're not into trying to trade that, which you still should have a long-term hold account, watch any of my other two videos on the Bitcoin bottom and the 4-year cycle, and it's so clear and simple and explains everything you need to know about. You should be in Bitcoin right now, packed, bags ready to go. We've started the new cycle. If you're not packed now, you're going to miss it, and you keep waiting for lower prices, you could get burned. So, it'll run off and leave you quick. So check that out. But that's today's watch list. Thanks a lot. We'll see you tomorrow.